Guys, welcome back to Dishing at Becky. I want to share with you guys what I got from Up Country from my mom. My mom in love and my mother, my own mom. So, I came with these bananas. These are for matoke. And then these are for zile unaweka za kuivisha. So I got these two. It's big ones. And then we have more here. More bananas. Then you have pumpkins. More pumpkins. Let's see what we have here. Hey, more bananas. And then we have arrowroots. Zinaitwa arrowroots. Ndoma. Ngwashi. Zinaitwa ndoma. We have arrowroots. There are very many. As you can see, guys. Naziko poa, hazijaanza ziko fresh. And then let's see here what we have. Oh, these are pumpkin leaves. I hope you know pumpkin leaves. Then we have avocados. Who doesn't love avocados? There are very many. This sack is full of avocados. Then we have tea leaves. We grow tea leaves back at home, so we have tea leaves. And this rosemary for spicing food. So let's also see what's here. Let's see what's here with you guys. So as we unbox, in case you haven't liked this video, kindly like. Kama uja subscribe, you subscribe. Na ushare, nita appreciate. So let's see what we are having here. So this is maize, dried maize. We process unga ya ugali, maize flour from the dry maize. So that's after unboxing. I boiled bananas and then I mashed them for lunch. You see the way they look. It's like we added color, but just their color. And then to tengeneza fried chicken, we got it from mom also, and boiled arrowroots for breakfast. Thank you guys for watching this video. So in case you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and like this particular video and go watch my other videos. So thank you so much. May God bless you. See you on another video. Blessings.